You can watch the FIFA World Cup for free in the stadium, and this is no clickbait. In fact, if you're lucky, you might even be up and close with your heroes while this match is being played. And for you to do this, come to this official website, FIFA World Cup 2026. If you're not able to find, you can just enter FIFA World Cup Volunteer 2026 and just look for this website. Don't go anywhere else. Once you click on this website, you will come to this page. This is the volunteer page. And once you scroll down, you have this sign up today where you can go and register your interest. Here, this map shows where all the match is happening and where all you can be the volunteer. So if you are from any of these places, then this is going to work. Let me show you. Once you come here and register your interest, you're taken to this FIFA volunteer form where you'll have to enter your email address, confirm your email, you choose the password, confirm the password, you enter your personal detail, that's your first name, what will be your preferred name when you're volunteering. You might want a shorter name or something else, so you mention that. And then once you come down, you have last name, date of birth, and then country of residence. This is important because they would like to know where you are. And once you choose a specific country, say I'm selecting Canada, and then enter the mobile phone number. Are you interested in volunteering for FIFA World Cup 2026? Your response will be yes. Which host city would you like to volunteer in? So this is the list of host city from Atlanta, Boston, Dallas. You come down and you get the entire city list here. So I'm from Toronto. I'm selecting Toronto. Do you live in or within 50 miles? That's 80-kilometer radius of the host city selected. Here you'll have to choose your response. I have selected yes. Now, because this is a purely voluntary work, in case you don't have accommodation, this is going to be a challenge, and that's why this question is getting asked. If your response is no, you know what the outcome might be. And then how did you hear about us? So I made a video on how you can get all the notification by just registering yourself to the FIFA website. Please check that video, including tickets you can buy. This is a one-stop place even to buy tickets whenever that opens, and you'll get notified once you sign up to the FIFA website, which I have made a video on. So do check that out. And then communication preference. Here, would you like to receive FIFA volunteer newsletter or any volunteer related content? You can select your response. And then I would like to receive occasional news special offer from carefully selected FIFA partners. If you wish to select, you can select. I'm keeping as it is. I would like to receive the latest news and announcement about FIFA product, future FIFA events. So I already have an account where I get all those details. Once you watch that video, you'll get to know how this will get initiated. And then you have to accept the terms and condition. And then I hereby agree with terms of service. And then you select I'm not a robot. Then once you have done with this, you will create an account by clicking here. Then you will get this message, thank you, registration successful. Click on continue to dashboard. We are here on the dashboard. You can see my name is shown, and for you to get access completely, you'll have to go to your email ID and verify your email ID. And here you see this is the QR code. Once you click here, I'm not clicking, you will get a QR code specific to your ID. On your email ID, you will have to go and verify email address by clicking here. Once you click here, you're directed, you will get this message, success, the email address has been verified. In case for some reason you're not getting this message and instead it gets that the link has expired, you can go back to the dashboard and click here to get the link again. Then you will be able to complete this verification. The verification is done, you will get to this page. And here complete the form is not mandatory because you have already done this and you would have selected the place where you would like to volunteer. Even if you still want to go and have a look, just click here and you will see the detail once again. If you wish to change, you can do that and save. Once it is done, you just wait and watch. Also go to your profile section and complete your profile section. Just click here. On this page, just check whatever you have entered, and if you have any accessibility needs, make sure to enter that, and then go to the settings, security and permission, and make sure you are doing everything what is required. That's it, guys. Now that you have given all the information what is required, just hope that you get selected as volunteer and you're up and close for the World Cup 2026, whichever location you are in. All the best.